What's up guys, Sam here. Adding to its ever-growing list of entry-level devices, Vivo just unveiled the Y11 2019 in Vietnam. Design-wise, the phone is quite similar to the Vivo Y12, but comes with one camera fewer on the back and swaps the Helio P22 chipset for the Snapdragon 439. Up front, the Y11 2019 packs a 6.35-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch for the 8-megapixel front cam. Around the back, we have a 13-megapixel with f2.2 main shooter, paired with a 2-megapixel f2.4 depth helper, flanked by a fingerprint reader. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 439 paired with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, which can be expanded via the microSD slot. The battery department boasts a 5000 mAh cell with 10-watt charging via the dated micro USB connector. On the software side, you get FunTouch OS 9.1 on top of Android Pie. The phone has dual SIM slots, Bluetooth 4.0 and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Vivo Y11 2019 goes on sale starting October 22 for 2,990,000 Vietnamese dong, that is $130, roughly 9,200 Indian rupees. It will be available in coral red and jade green colors. There is still no word on international availability. Thanks for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will come with new video. Be Sam.